So everyone playing at home, now we're just doing the gearbox oil, which is pretty standard. Put the plug on this side of the gearbox, right next to the low range tail shaft, and
that's the filler, yeah.
Yeah, it's a filler cap as well, so it should be pretty easy. At the same time, give your low range tail shaft a bit of a wobble. It's got a bit of wobble in there, you might need a bit of grease. Beautiful. Okay, it's going to undo the other side as well, which is the main drain plug.
Get your camera mate, just taking fairly hose out.
Oh, like a professional. Beautiful. Oh, it's good to see my exhaust wrap still going well, Nick.
Yeah.
Hasn't rusted out of the exhaust system yet. So let that drain as per usual and then refill. And Nick's got a pretty cool little tool here that he's going to use to fill it up with the pumping system.
Just a drum pump, mate, yeah.
Drum pump.
Just a normal 20 litre drum pump, you can fill it. Just whip the lid off easy.
Fill it nice and easy. Yeah, it's pretty clean oil actually. We probably didn't really have to worry about the gearbox oil, but it's worth doing. We've got it all here, so might as well do it.
Oh, gangster guy.
Alright guys, so that is how you change your gearbox oil. So pretty simple. If you follow the instructions on this video, it's pretty standard. Drain it out, put some more gearbox oil in there, let the breather plug out, so you can obviously drain it out properly, and just check. Checking is the main thing obviously with servicing. You're trying to do preventive maintenance, or you're trying to do maintenance to prevent damage, I should say. So what you want to do is check everything over and make sure you do this every sort of 20-30,000 Ks, as Nick said in the video, and you should be fine. But that's another episode of 4x4 Camping and Adventures, and obviously a quick video of how to change your gearbox oil. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, and there's so much more of this kind of stuff getting out there, and more parts obviously of this mini-series, which obviously I've got in conjunction with Super Cheap Auto, so because obviously they gave me all the parts, which is cool. So I'll see you in the next video, and I'll see you out there on the tracks and trails, but if not, I'll see you later. Bye.